Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be trying out hoverboards,
Or box
hoverboards
fans.
versus box fans, and also like for hoverboards or
Subscribe for box fans.
Yep. All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna start right here.
Wait, I just need to take off some extra weight.
Oh yeah, I also need to take off extra weight. All right, we're good. Here, actually here to there, right?
To where?
Over there.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god.
I'm like not even going up.
Well, I already made it. Yeah. Come.
Oh, I thought you meant like up there to the selling machine. I bet. Let's try
no.
again.
Okay, all right. 3, 2, 1, go. Yep, I definitely want that.
Okay, bro.
And also, bye guys.